Hello friends, welcome to Om Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gavare Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very refreshing and flavorful course, and it's a course of Chaas special. So in this course first I will teach you the secret of making perfect chaat, how to make Chaas Masala, and then I will show you variety of chaat. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So first I will teach you how to make perfect Chaas Masala. Even you can use ready-made Chaas Masala for all the recipes. So this is Kathiyawadi Chaas. So in this class first I will give you the recipe of 1 glass, and even I will show you how to make 1 kg curd recipe, so that you can make all the chaat in small quantity also, or even you can make all the chaat for commercial level also. Then this is lemon ginger chaas. So beside this course we have so many courses like Mastani, Faluda, Lassi premix, milkshake, thick shake, so many summer special courses we have. Then this is Dhungar Chaas, or you can say it's a smoked chaas. Okay, then this is Rajasthani Chaas. So all the chaats are so flavorful and refreshing, and it's perfect for this summer season. Then this is Beetroot Chaas. Okay, you can see the texture of all the chaats. All are so superb, and I will show you both the way how to make traditional way, how to make instant way. We have lakhs of students from India and all over world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link. Okay, and even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all products in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. And when you join our online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubt you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Vishaka Amrute and second is Jijabai Gangude. So congratulations both lucky winners. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with the new class, but before that, do like, share, subscribe to our channel.